Hi, today we are unboxing this very affordable 12 volt 100 amp hour LiFePO4 battery. The manufacturer is PowMr company, known for their solar panels and all kinds of solar charging systems. So let's crack open the box, take a look at the battery itself and measure the voltage straight out of the factory packaging. Yeah, so the PowMr battery looks like this, and the voltage was actually pretty nice straight out from the factory. It also comes with these handy carrying handles which make it easy to move the battery from place to place. I have also had a smaller battery from the same manufacturer, a 50 amp hour battery that I have been using with an electric outboard motor, and it has worked really well. So I will leave a link to the product page for this battery in the video description box below if you are interested of this battery. Have a great day and bye.